This lesson, and today I would like us to study about booleans. You use booleans when you want to represent values that are either true or false, and some of the times you want to represent a data type that has values of either a yes or a no, on or off, or true or false. And for this, Java has a boolean data type which can store values of either true or false. It doesn't store anything else, only true and false. So whenever we execute a statement and its result or it returns a true value, we normally call that a truthy statement, and whenever it returns a false value, we call that a false statement. So a boolean data type is declared with the keyword boolean, and as we have said before, it can only take the values true and false. So let's see how we can be able to use boolean in our programming. So we are going to define a boolean value, a boolean data, a boolean variable called boolean is working, or let's just say is working. And boolean is working, we are first of all going to assign it to a true. We can either assign it true or false, and based on what it evaluates to, we can then proceed to do either some computation or some processing and so on and so forth. We can also have another one. Let's say boolean it's raining equals to false. So that's it about boolean. It only takes true and false values. And why is it important? Because it's mainly used to evaluate logic, because with logic a statement can either be true or false. So for instance, let's try to ask Java whether one variable is equal to another, because that's a logical comparison, and find out what's going to give us. So let's do system.out.println. So let's ask Java, is 10 equal to, no, let's actually say greater than 8. What should Java tell us? So let's find out. Let's find out, is 10 greater than 8? Yes. So Java tells us that 10 is greater than 8. So this gives you the concept that whenever you are doing logical operations, internally what they evaluate is that they use the boolean concept. It can either return a true or a false. So let's try an example where it's supposed to return a false statement. So let's have system.out.println. So let's say something like 10 is 10 greater than 20. Obviously that should be false. Let's run our program and find out. Yes, 10 is not greater than 20, and therefore it returns a false statement. So key takeaways from this lesson is about boolean. What is a boolean data type? It's a data type that only takes two values, either a true or a false value. And what are its application areas? Whenever you want to evaluate expressions that can only give you a true or a false, and whenever you are doing logical operations in Java. So thank you very much for watching this video. Keep enjoying the series and keep learning. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.